In today's episode, we will see how delicious and enjoyable cookies are made inside the factory. Let's take a look. The cookie making process starts with clarified butter, plain flour, sugar, chocolate flavouring, cocoa powder, milk powder, butter and milk. Firstly, all the materials are mixed properly to make the dough texture. Then the chocolate flavour syrup is added to the mixed dough. Again, the dough mixture and flavours are mixed together for the perfect taste. Now we see the ingredients have formed the perfect texture of brown dough. Next, the plain dough is being laid out. After that, the chocolate flavoured dough is being laid out over the plain dough sheet. Here, the dough layer is properly arranged to the correct thickness. After a while, the dough sheet is cut to the proper size by knife. Then the cookies are arranged on a big plate for the baking process. Without baking, we can't eat these cookies. Now, all the cookies on the tray are sent into the oven for baking. There are a total of 3 processes in the oven called convection, conduction, and radiation to control moisture. And here, the oven is opened and the cookies are removed from the oven. Then, the cookies are left for natural cooling. Once the cookies are cooled, they are weighed and packed into boxes. Finally, the cookies are ready to enjoy with a glass of milk or your favourite beverage.